don't know about Salesforce, but just to give an high level overview, Salesforce is one CRM. Okay, so Salesforce has different clouds. If you Google it, Salesforce is one CRM. Why we use this? Just to give you a high level example, if you want to purchase a car in any of the country, they will maintain one CRM. If you come across the word with executive, they will be telling it will be updated in CRM. It will be updated in CRM. So they have the CRM to maintain. CRM in the sense they are basically calling a software. Maybe it is Salesforce or any other CRM. Okay. Maybe it is Zoho also. Okay, there are many other softwares also. So they will maintain a customer data. For example, you brought a car. When is your delivery? What is your car color? What is your amount? Okay, where is the delivery? All those documents, everything will be saved in their system. That is called as CRM. Then for that, we'll use the Salesforce or any other software, like I said, Zoho or any other. Okay, and also in Salesforce, we have many other clouds like sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, commerce cloud, experience cloud, analytics cloud. There are few other which are not listed here. The health cloud and vaccine cloud. Okay, there are many other. So these are the popular clouds. Okay, if you get um, these to work on, maybe you can integrate also. You can integrate marketing cloud with sales cloud or service cloud. Okay, by using journey builder in our marketing cloud. So these are the clouds which will be used for different purposes. We will use marketing cloud specifically to market the product. Our main purpose is in the marketing cloud to market the product. I am a company called McDonald's. I want to market my product, so I will use marketing cloud. How I will contact my customers? By using email studio or mobile studio. Okay, to automate these processes. For example, if I am sending one email per day, that's okay. If I am sending 1 million emails per day, then it is hectic, right? I need to click 1 million times. So I can automate that by using automation studio. There are various other topics are available. You can pull the reports, you can create a content. Okay, you can contact your customers based on the offers, you can run a campaign. So these are the various options which are available in marketing cloud. Okay, so let's start with a very much basic how to log in, what is a URL, what is the meaning of that URL. So these all will be asked in your interviews. Okay, so please remember that, and just my notes will be provided. No need to worry on that. Each and every topic has a notes, and I will be giving you assignments. Please don't feel bored. Okay, so please do that. So you will be perfect on a particular topic. It is a theoretical or a practical. I'll be touching each and every section. Okay, so this is the URL which we use for logging into marketing cloud, mc.exacttarget.com. Anyone has, before I explain, anyone has any idea on this? What is this exact target? We are using Salesforce. What is this exact target? Any ideas? You guys can guess it. If it is right or wrong, that's okay. Let's make this
Yeah,
class interactive.
actually, the previous company is Exact Target. So
Yes.
they purchased from Salesforce was purchased Exact Target,
Yes.
and after that they mentioned the name like that one.
Yes, the Ramoji is correct. The company originated, the name of that company is Exact Target. Means I mean founders named it as Exact Target before. Okay, then Salesforce came into market and Salesforce brought this exacttarget.com. So they and the Exact Target which I worked when I was a fresher. Okay, we used to log in by exacttarget.com. Okay, www.exacttarget.com, without this. Okay, and then once Salesforce brought it, um, Salesforce just renamed it as mc.exacttarget.com because the brand value of Exact Target was more outside. Okay, so we don't want to lose a brand value because people know that with the name Exact Target only. So we Salesforce kept the name itself as Exact Target. Just they added a domain name called mc dot, and this S6 S7 which you are seeing, Once I log in, these are all the server names. Okay, based on the load, sometimes it is S6, sometimes it is S7 or S8 or S9. Okay, based on the load of the users, it will navigate to particular Salesforce server. Okay, so that you can smoothly operate. So this is the URL explanation. So this is also will be asked in your interviews by some of the interviewers. Okay, just to check your knowledge. What is that? Okay, you guys understood what is URL and what is that exact target? All good, right?
Yeah, yeah. Arun, I have a couple of questions. First one is like sales and service cloud. We can create our company specific domains, right?
Yes.
So for marketing cloud also, I mean, each company they will create company specific domains, or is it?
No, no. Here we have an option. We can create a cloud page and make that uh, customized domain. But here, um, no marketing cloud people will do the customized domain creation. For everyone, it is mc.exacttarget.com only, and we don't have like sandbox or production access. So, guys, what is the question of Anil is um, basically Sales Cloud has customized. I mean, if I'm purchasing as a company, I can customize it according to myself. The URL, okay, I can do that. But here, is that possible? He's asking. It's possible, but we never do that. It is I mean common for all the companies, and there is no sandbox. Means lower environment, higher environment, you will develop your requirement in lower environment, then you will push it to higher environment, that is production. It is not like that. It's just one access, and you can take it and practice it, and you can have different orgs also. For testing one, for development one, you can have like that. Yep.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Yes. So this is mc.exacttarget.com. So once I click on this, it will open this page. Okay, either it will open in this page, or sometimes a page will be different, in the sense you have a Salesforce logo and all. Since I logged in many times, it is taking me to the this page. Okay, but once you log in first time, it will you may experience a different page with you will be having username and password. Okay, so I'll be giving you and I'll explain as many times you guys until you understand. Okay, so um I'll just explain you the overview page today, what it involves and what all we do. So this is your marketing cloud logo, Salesforce marketing cloud logo. This is a calendar where you can see number of campaigns running each day or number of email schedules per day. Okay, so you can see this is a customer anniversary email someone has created, that is as an event. Okay, you can also create as an event, you can also create a campaign. So what is campaign, I will explain you guys. And so for example, I want to create a campaign Tuesday 11th. I can just click here, click on this, give the name of campaign and save it. Okay, so I'll just give you batch 16, batch is 16. You guys can remember that. So whatever I do with this name itself, batch 16. So I'll just give all the details, required details. Okay, then click on save. So test. So batch 16 Arun campaign has been created by me. So this will run on this particular day, that is 11th. Okay, so like this, you can see number of events are running in this particular org. Okay, this calendar is only related to this particular org. Org in the sense this marketing cloud which you are seeing. Okay, this is related to this particular thing, and you can see from where all the data is coming. Means campaign is running on what. Okay, it is either it is from mobile push or mobile connect or automation or any campaigns or group connects or events or email studio. Okay, so where all it is running, it can be visible. Okay, so weekly, monthly, you can see, or today how many campaigns or emails are running, that all you can see it here. If you go down to home screen again, to go to home screen, you just click on this logo, it will go to home screen, and click on campaigns. Campaign is nothing but um, in normal terms we will call it as sale. Okay, you may consider any sale, either it may be a Black Friday sale or New Year sale or year end sale, anything it may be. In normal terms, normal people, we call it as a sale, but technically people who work on technology, they will call it as a campaign. Okay, if Amazon is your client, they will come and tell you, okay, please create a campaign called um, Amazon Great Indian Sale, like that. Okay, and you will create it. For them it is a campaign, for normal people it is a sale. Okay, why we create this? To get a knowledge, I mean, to get information about the products we sell on our websites. If anything issues, anyone emailing you by asking what is a product cost, I'm not able to add it to the cart. Okay, I want to help on this particular product, so I can raise a concern by different medium called email studio, mobile studio, or various. I will just show you how to create a campaign and what is that tracking and all. Okay, so to create a campaign, again the same thing, just click on create, name the campaign. So I will just name it batch 16 underscore Amazon. Deployment date is today 12 a.m. Campaign owner can be created under setup. Now this org is a test org, so it will not display a owner here. Okay, we will be restricted with user access, because if they give us a user access, I can create my user and sell this org to someone else. That is the reason there will not be user access here. Okay, if you visit any company's portal, you will have or user access. Means you can create a user, you can delete a user. Okay, you can modify the settings. Okay, it's kind of the org which is provided for you is like just to use, just for a use purpose. You cannot modify any settings here. Okay, so you just add all the details. Campaign code, if it is available, add it. Tax means any specific tax they have given you, these all will be given by your client only. Okay, they will tell you in the requirement, create a campaign called this. Okay, the description will be this, color will be this, deployment date is this. Okay, owner is this, means say Amazon, and campaign code is this, and tags are this. If it is available, they will give everything in one requirement. You need to just create it. And marketing cloud is all about, you no need to think much on this. Means it's all drag and drop. Now you guys are seeing, right? I have not tried written any single line of code. I have just creating by using point and click. Okay, so this is what I added now, and this is your campaign name, and I will just copy it and just I'll click on create. So soon after you click on that, the campaign will get created with this particular name. Now you can ask me one question, what I will do with this campaign. I have created it. Okay, so for example, I am running Amazon sale. Okay, and some customers are raising a query by using email, by using mobile, by using website, by using audience studio. Okay, by any of the other mediums. So these will be displayed it here under data. Okay, now we don't have any campaign which is linked, so it is saying no data. Okay, but if any concerns, anything about this particular campaign will be shown here. So I will show you one previously created campaign, how it looks like with all the data which is present here. See, so this is the campaign name, okay, welcome series, and this they have communicated, means customer replied, or we have advertised our products, okay. See, number of subscribers is 16, okay, we have sent it this email, okay, and if any queries we will get it. So these all queries or any emails and any operations performed on this particular campaign will be shown here. So you can ask me a next question. Okay, I am sending an email, and this campaign, how it came it, I mean, I am sending one single email. Do I need to add a campaign name there? Okay, for that answer is yes. So if you add a campaign name, then only it will start tracking here. Okay, for example, I will just duplicate it, and I will show you one email sending process where I will show you I need to add campaign. Then only this tracking details will start generated. Okay. So now I will go to email studio. This will be covered in detail, but just to show where use where we are using a campaign, I'll just quickly navigate. So say this Ajio big billion sale. These kind of templates you will be designing beautifully. Okay, if someone has designed this email.
So Arun, here you are just created, I mean, campaign, and after that you are adding that campaign to
Yes,
the
I'm just yes,
email list.
yes. I'm just showing. I have created this campaign. Okay, so I want to add where I mean I created, then where I will utilize this. That I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so campaign I have created here. Now I want to use this campaign, right? So if I want to use, because why I am using, I want to get a each and every data here. Okay, either it may be from automation, email studio, mobile studio, anywhere. So what I will do, I'm just randomly taking one email which I have not done, but I am taking one, and I will show you where I can use it. So I'll just click on send, or else I will create a brand new that will be a better, then you better understand. I'll go to email studio. Sorry, here the option has been removed. So I'll just go to content builder, and I'll just randomly click on create. And this org is, I mean, marketing cloud is only slow. Okay, it's not that your internet is slow. Marketing cloud loading process is little on the it will take some time actually. So I'll just select one template. So these are already Salesforce provided. This will explain in detail. For now, you can see this campaign section here. Okay, so this campaign section, this is I'm creating an email template. Okay, so that I can utilize it to send it to all my customers. Okay, email template in the sense this email again. So this I'm creating. Say this I'm creating. This is my email template, which is, sorry, this is Microsoft's email template, standard one, which is created by them. Okay, so I am creating this. Just imagine, I'm creating this in content builder. Okay, I am linking this email with one of the campaign available. So even in case if I reply for this reply, okay, so this my query and everything will be stored in campaigns. Okay, so now I'll just search campaign here. Just I clicked on this. These are the available campaigns. Okay, so you can search your um, campaign batch 16 underscore on whichever we created. Now just select this, save and continue. See, this we added. So if I'm sending this email to any one of you, okay, if you guys reply to this email, all the records will be saved in campaign, this detail section. You guys understood now why we create a campaign? What is the campaign? What is the meaning of that? Any doubts?
Yeah, yeah, I got it. So only one question is like, previously you created a campaign in a calendar, right? So does it same? I mean, yeah, we can
Yes,
create a.
the both are similar. There also
Okay.
you can create similar, and here also you can create. That is a quick view kind of thing. Either you have a bike or a car, right? You can switch off your bike by using key also, or you have a engine kill switch. It's like engine skill switch is kind of your calendar, whereas your key is a long process where you come and create in campaigns. Means in some of the projects, what happens? Very big clients, Nestle, this DHL, McDonald's, Domino's, only you'll be creating a campaign altogether 6 months. Means your team is only there to create a campaign and look after the campaigns. Any issues, anything going wrong, you will be doing that. So this kind of work will be there with biggest clients. Means you will be having a team of 50 members, 100 members. And some people will be only working on email studio. Some people will be working on mobile studio. 10 people, 20 people like that. Okay.
Yeah, okay, got it.
So I hope I am clear. Um, I'll just move, and you can also delete the campaign also. Okay. You have a delete option. You have edit options. This is what the campaign is, which is there in your first page. Then let's move on to this. You ignore because this is a plugin. Means I have installed it by using Google Chrome plugin. You can also install. For now, you don't think of this. I once the email studio table creation comes, I'll just show you why I have utilized this. Just this is to use, I mean, search the folder, because there are bunch of folder structures here. In that, my data is available. So that data I want to search, then I will utilize this particular thing. So now, for now, you just ignore this. Then feedback is just all about this org. If you're facing anything, you can raise a feedback here. And if you go down to this, what is this? So this is called as a account or a business unit. In marketing cloud terms, we will call it as business unit. Okay. And here we mention it as account. Why we use business unit or account? For example, if Domino's is operating in India, they will come up with one account or a business unit called as Domino's India. Okay. If they are operating in US, they will come up with Domino's US. Okay. If they are operating in Singapore, they'll come up with Domino's Singapore. Means you will be having different accounts. Why we created different accounts? Because currency is different. Okay. And your food culture is different. Okay. So everything is different, so we want to maintain a systematic separation of data. Okay. And also, in case if you're operating in Asian countries, there are some similar food structures. Okay. For each and every country. So there, what we will do, we have a shared option there. Means I can create content in one business unit, and I can share with other business unit also. Instead of multiply creating the same thing in two other business units, I can share also. Share option is also available, and individual creation option is also available. Share option in the sense I can create one email template in this business unit and share with remaining 10 business unit, because they are also targeting same product in other country, and their taste is also same as us. Okay. And always remember, each business unit has unique MID. Okay. MID in the sense, this particular business unit, Northern Trail Outfitters, it has a MID. This is unique. If I create another business unit, that I can do it in setup. Okay. Creation. If I create another one, it will have another business unit. Now we don't have any option to create it here because it is a test org. If you have, I mean, if you join any of the company, you have a full-fledged test org where you can create users, business units, and you can delete it. Okay. So this is called business unit. Why we use this and all, we'll see in future classes. So if I am telling any business unit technical term, just understand that this is talking about this account. Okay. And this setup and all we'll see now. This is the main part you will be working, guys, this section. Okay. Email studio, mobile studio, mobile connect or mobile push. Okay. The social studio, we need a separate access, and there will no be, I mean, there are no projects on this. Okay. So this is not covered in my portion, but I will give you a high level overview why we use this. Analytics builder, where we have a report generation, means whatever email you send or mobile SMS you send, that report I want to pull it, to whom I have sent, how many I have sent, how many delivered, how many not delivered, how many bounced. Those reports I can pull it. There are many other reports I can pull. I'll just show you that. Journey builder is one section where you can automate your requirements by using automation studio or a journey builder. Okay. Content builder is one thing where you can create your email content or SMS content. Means content in the sense the communication part, where by that you want to communicate to your customers. Okay. You want to sell the product for them. You can create an email template, add an image, add an offer code, everything in that and send it. That is called as a content builder. And approvals is nothing but content approval. I will just tell you that also. And the contact builder, this is one important thing where you will store your customer data, means your end user data. If I am targeting Ramoji, I will save his contact number and email address here. Okay. And I will send him, I'll create a content and I will send him a email or SMS. Okay. Einstein is a next version of reports. This reports is just you are pulling CSV, Excel format and all those things. But here you can pull graphs. Okay. A systematic graphs by bar chart, pie chart, these charts you can pull it. Okay. That is nothing but Einstein, either by using email recommendation or web recommendation. Maybe it's kind of we can also do, um, if you are visiting any of the website, if you have already seen one car ad. Okay. And you are interested in that and you clicked on that. Okay. In next website also start showing you some of the recommendations. So those kinds of also you can do it here. App Exchange is one tool. It is kind of your Apple um, store. Apple store in the sense, in your mobile you have Android, you have Play Store, right? Okay. Similarly, you have App Exchange here where we can install apps for this particular marketing cloud. Okay. And we can start utilize um, effectively. Means you have WhatsApp in your mobile, also you have a SMS option. You will not use SMS option because it is not that flexible. Okay. So you'll use a WhatsApp. The same thing, I want to pull a report. This is not that flexible or doesn't has any much options. So I can install any of the app which is available in App Exchange and start pulling my reports effectively. Okay. It's kind of an app. Then Query Studio, where you will write your SQL queries. Okay. We will be covering that SQL query, how to write SQL query and all the materials related to that. This platform is all about if any Salesforce release happens. Okay. It will be uh, given here, or else you can install a package manually. Okay. So this is all options which are available here. So guys, can you guys rejoin this call with the same link again? It's all 4 minutes left. I am in the process
Yes.
of installing Skype. It's all done. I will just try to experiment it first, and then tomorrow onwards I will just send you Skype invite. Let's see we can record or not. Okay. Just
Yeah,
please
sure.
rejoin the same link.
Okay.
I'm just disconnecting.